So folks, cleaning the gas tank and that screen that sticks up in on the fuel shutoff valve is what was wrong with my generator. This being a Generac 5500, the screen going up into the tank was completely clogged with rust, and after cleaning it completely cleaning the tank, and I also cleaned the carburetor, but there was hardly any debris in the carburetor at all. It didn't even need cleaning. So the problem was the filter screen inside the tank that is attached to the fuel shutoff valve was causing the no start situation for this generator. Thank you for viewing, and hope you like it.